India, it's a question of reestablishing the credibility of its willingness to use its much larger conventional military to impose costs upon the Pakistani military or the Pakistani state for terrorist provocations. So their logic is that any terrorist act will invite a predictable and perhaps over time escalating military response. Pakistan's idea of deterrence is deterring India effectively from doing this, right? So this is about the ability to defend Pakistan's airspace. This is about the ability to defend Pakistan's territorial integrity and dissuade India from carrying out attacks, or if they do carry out an initial attack, from carrying out future attacks. So both sides are also trying to then compel the other to exercise restraint, though through different mechanisms. So for India, it's through what we might see as punitive retaliation. Through Pakistan, it's the raising the kind of perceived costs or risks of escalation. And I think what makes this so difficult and potentially dangerous is that the two countries are trying to sort of deter action at both the sub-conventional and conventional levels simultaneously.